This is a soldering kit. You get the soldering gun that has a positive and negative and an on and off switch, digital. We're going to unwrap the cord. It is 5 feet. Plug it into an outlet. Pull the tip off. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And we are on a degree. We need to increase. We can do so by increasing and decreasing. And then we could shut it off altogether and turn it on. We have a stand that opens up that you could place on like so, with spare bits, adapters, wide through narrow for different soldering needs. We have flux that you prepare your solder iron with flux. And we have solder that we can do our job with and solder our leads. When we reach the right temperature, we can melt our solder. So today what we're doing is we're going to show you how we're going to solder this on. Heat up. And solder. That's it. We're done. You have a soldering kit that will do a nice job no matter what you need it for. I hope this is something that you're looking for your basic soldering needs.